Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Last episode I introduced Onshape and how to use it. Today we're back with it on tutorial number 2. Today we're going to make some basic cylinder with some little bits poking out, something basic. So this is episode 2. Let's get started. I'm going to go by creating another document inside of my folder that I have, EDU tutorials. This is for educational purposes only. Uh, you guys are more than welcome to copy exactly what I do here. That's not a problem. So we'll go and call this tut number 2. Like I said, we'll create a cylinder, so we'll just jump straight into it. So I'm just gonna give this a second to load for me, and we're welcome to the screen again. So I'm gonna go back like we did in the last episode. We will go onto the front face, and actually last time we went on the front face. Today we're gonna start at the top face. Let me just find. So the top is this one here. I would like to go to find. That's the front. Okay. So the top is here. Okay, I'm gonna quickly hide the front and the right because I only want to see the top surface. To make a 3D cylinder, it is as simple as going into Sketch. You select your plane, which is this top surface, and to make a cylinder, you select a circle. So in 2D, a cylinder it is a circle. We're gonna go up top here, like if you guys remember, we go to the dimension or the shortcut on your keyboard, D. We're gonna select it, and the dimension of this circle would like it to be 60 millimeters, okay? So from this edge to that edge is gonna be 60 in total. Now that's simple. You have in a 2D face, you have a circle. Sorry guys. Well, how do I? Right, on the top. There we go. Or you could press the middle mouse wheel and you do that. But I like to see it in 2D and sometimes in the isolated, I think it's called. I don't remember. But I like to see it in this view because I would like to see how much I raise it. So once I make my circle, I press the tick, and here I select my sketch and I select extrude or shift E if you'd like to press some shortcuts. So I like this view because I can see how much the circle rises, and if I want to manually do it, I can just drag this arrow and this will increase accordingly. So that's also another feature. But I'm gonna make this very simple. I'm gonna make this 100 by 60. So that's gonna be 100, and here's my cylinder. Very straightforward. Now I have my cylinder like this. It's very basic. I can hide the top view and I have my simple cylinder. Now I want to do on the I want to make it like, let's say, a 90-degree kind of thing, so let's say let's go to that view at the back here to the front. So I would like the front, which is this face here. The front is of course through the center. Uh, if you look at this from this perspective, it looks like your your center of the cylinder is between this plane and the front plane. I would like to have something sticking out onto the front plane, like let's say I'd like a T. So what I'll do is I'll select my front plane and I'll go a sketch on top of it. So therefore when I go to the front, I am drawing on this surface here. Let's say I want to make another cylinder sticking out from it. I would like to find the center. So the best way to find the center of this cylinder, it is to go up from the 0, 0 position all the way up to the top. Obviously, I don't know where the top is because it doesn't show me. But because I know the height of it, what I can do it is I can go to dimension, I can set the height of this to be 100. 100. So now I know exactly that my line here finishes at the very, very top of the cylinder. Now, because I have this line here, I can determine where the center is. It doesn't show me now, but as soon as I select this circle and I drag my mouse, I can see that this square here is the circle. And of course, it doesn't show me where the edge of the circle is, but I know the radius or the dimension already. So if I make it this size and then I go to my dimension tool and I select that circle, I can also make that 60. 60. So now I know that my circle, it is from this far edge to that far edge. And I would like to make a cross. So I will submit this. I have my circle here in the dotted, as you can see, and it is on the front plane. So this is very simple. So I'll select my this view because I would like to see as I'm extruding it. So I will select sketch number 2. Remember, sketch number 1 is the bottom one. Sketch number 2 is this one in the middle that I just made. I will extrude it, and I selected two faces, so I'll cancel it. I'll select sketch, the one I just made, extrude it, and I would like it also 100 so I can see it. So now I've made it. You can see that this has come out, and I would like to make it in the center. So the best way to make it is direction. Select it. Ah, you don't select direction, you select this one here, the blind. And how would I do this? It's definitely this here. Um, Direction, extrude direction. It's been a while since I've done it, so just give me a second while I figure it out. I know that on SolidWorks it will be mid-plane, but this one doesn't give me that section, so it's been a while. Otherwise, the other option is, to go 50 and to go 50 on the other side. That's also another solution. So it'll be like that, and then you'd select that same, and you'll go exactly, and you'll change that direction to be 50 as well. So that's another way of doing it. But what I was trying to show you is to do it all in one go. Well, why does that look bigger than the other? Edit. That's 50. Okay. Edit. That's 50. So is it me, or does that looks much shorter than this one? Why? I'm so confused. So 50. I selected that circle. Yes. 15 millimeters. Okay. Let's do that. And let's go edit. And let's make that one 50 millimeters. Maybe it's my optical illusion. Yeah, it is. Definitely my optical illusion. No, but it does look bigger. Left side looks. Nah, it's my optical illusion. Okay. So here on the side, you can also choose isometric. That's what it's called. There we go. Dynamic. You see dramatic, and you have zoom to fit. You have zoom to window. Yeah, so you can select all that. But I like this one as it is the best view in my opinion, which is that corner. Anyways, so this is how you make your cylinder. Very basic. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one.